In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable user feedback within Juji Studio. Within the design mode, you need to go across to Chatbot settings and come down, and under display control you'll notice an option to enable user feedback. So firstly, let's take a look at what a conversation would look like if user feedback is not enabled. We can see that Juji has sent us a welcome message, and I'll simply ask, "How are you?" As you would expect, an excellent response from Juji, but there's no option to give any feedback on this conversation. So let's enable user feedback now. Go back into design mode, ensure we're on chatbot settings, scroll down, and where it says enable user feedback during chat, just click it on. You'll notice below it gives an example of what we expect to see during conversation. You'll also notice on the left that the deploy button now has a red indicator. If we click there, you'll notice now we have the option to update or a new release. All we need to do is just click update. It's now updated. We notice next to deploy, the red indicator button is now missing. And if we go in now and launch our chatbot, we ask exactly the same question. We get a great response from Juji, and we also now have the ability to leave user feedback. Simple.